you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create different hairstyles from this hairstyle without having to change much of it. I know it's annoying sometimes when you want to have cute new hairstyles throughout the week, but you don't want to have the hassle of doing a whole bunch of taking out, putting in, taking out, and putting in the hairstyle. I know that can be very annoying. So what we're going to do is we're going to have this one hairstyle and we're going to make a few different hairstyles for your work week or your school week, Monday through Friday. So let's get started into the first style because it's easy. And then let's see how we do. I'm going to be using my Yale curling custard. And I'm also going to use some extreme gel because my hair is still at times trying to hold a curl. Once in a while it works with just this, but in case I have this on standby, I'm going to see what happens if I use the dimming brush. And I have my spray bottle so I can spray my hair, and I also have my aloe mix for my hair as well. So I'm gonna be spraying that in, and let's just get started into this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and let's get it going. You definitely want to make sure you spray your hair with water because you don't want your hair to get tangled and knotted up. So you have to spray your hair with the water to part it and to do this style. So after I spray my hair to get the part down the middle, I just put my hair in two sections, which are gonna be my two curly puffs. So after I am done sectioning those sides off, I'm gonna take my hair and take little portions of my hair, and this took a while, I'm not even gonna lie, because I have 4C hair and it's hard to like curl, and because I have thick hair. So it took me a while to put the gel on and make individual curls. So that's what I did. I took the dimming brush, I combed it out from the tip all the way up going towards the root, just to make sure it's not gonna be tangled. And you wanna make sure you do it from the tip to the root. And then from there, just put the product in and start raking it out with your hands, and then start to separate and then twist more. And that's basically all you have to do with getting the curls to this look. What I also did was I did one side and I stretched it out a little bit just so you guys can see the difference of how it's gonna look stretched and how it looks when it's in this natural, I just finished puffy state. So you'll see the difference right here, and then you can figure out which you like. All right, so I'm kind of basically done. You can either do like a cute little small two little puffs like this, and this side I have longer. Take it out for a second. For this side, it's a little bit longer and stretched out. So you can do like a cute little updo situation, or you could do a stretch look, and you could probably even do some space buns. I'll actually come back and do that tomorrow as another style because I think I want to rock this for like a day or two. So yeah, so actually I kind of like this one, the one that's a little bit more up than the stretched out one. But yeah, so we're gonna come back tomorrow and do something different. So all right, so I'm back. When I go to sleep, I put these scrunchies in my hair just to keep the hair out and stretched for this next style. So let's get right into it. I know it's not like super flat right here. I can do that, but I'm not because it's cool. It's all the thickness of my hair in there. So let me get my scrunchies. Right now I'm using two small ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the scrunchie kind of in the middle, a little bit more further down, closer to right here. So I have room up here, so boom. That's that. And I'm gonna do one more here. There could be another way to do it, but I don't know. I just logically, this seems like it's easy. If you want and you want to be different, you could definitely go all like this. Like, what, feel like Busta Rhymes. What, and TLC with the left eye. What, That's what I feel like. So if you want, you could bust it down and leave it like this. So now, just gonna take, you could use a regular, I guess, but I'm gonna use the extra large band. Just gonna go like this. And all I'm gonna do is take it and just fold it forward like this. Fold it forward so it could look like a little bun. So. And this, you can leave these. I don't think I explained that before, but these I just pulled out. It's 2 twists. So you could leave them in there or you could take them out. I usually, it depends on the style. I'll leave them in or I'll take them out because my size, they don't like to stay down. They like to have a mind of its own. And it just be looking like it's just sticking up like this. So this is the end result. Boom. I think it looks super cute. It looks even cute in person. I'm gonna take a few pictures and I'm gonna show y'all because I love this look. Alright, stay tuned for the next day. So I'm back and this is the little baby girl hairstyle I had. I just changed this. It's not fully like flattened right now because I was sweating, but I took out the lines like this because yeah, it was annoying to try to put them back. So yeah. Quick disclaimer, towards the end of the week I had a lot of product in my hair and it got very flaky and white, so I really didn't want to film the rest of the video, but I put the styles in there, but I just literally just did it real quick. But I need to do a different version of this. Oh, and the first hairstyle I forgot to record, so if you want to see me do the first initial hairstyle, let me know. If you don't want the curly puffs, you can turn it into these little small puffs. All you gotta do is pull your hair back, pull the curls back, and put like a little clip in it. And then you have these little cute buns. I have so much like gel and stuff in it. Like I said, it's old, so don't mind it, but you can also definitely do a low situation. You just have like a little puff down here. Of course, you can slick it back more, but boom, we're still keeping this. And then, so 2 little low buns, and boom, you could do 2 low ones. So that is it for the video. These are just a few different hairstyles that you can do with having that one hairstyle done. Hopefully you guys can find a hairstyle that you like, so that way you can just pick one of them or pick them all for the work week or school week. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.